Okay, final project video. The final project is meant to be fun. It's meant to be an easier, just sort of like culmination of the semester. We've put a lot of thought into the purposes of the university, the history of the university. We've thought a bit about what education might mean in the university for us at different times and places. And I've asked you to consider even yourself how the university serves you, what you are here for, what your education is about, what you're hoping the university can do for you. And so the final project, we will more or less treat it like a poster session at a conference. So if you've not been to an academic conference, maybe as an undergraduate, that would make total sense. I was never really at an academic conference as an undergraduate. But at academic conferences, you will have opportunities to attend, you'll attend symposia, but you can also attend paper or poster sessions, which is to say, these are often incomplete papers that are in kind of early form. Maybe it's a research project if you're in the STEM field, right? You're outlining your methodologies, your hypotheses, how you're going to test that hypothesis, that kind of thing, right? In the humanities, it's maybe you're outlining an argument for a paper, a research project, maybe it's a book project, something like that. So for our purposes, you'll see the handout, but I'm going to ask us to imagine what our utopian university would look like. That is to say, a utopia as a sort of dream, right? What would, if we could have it our way, what do we think would be best for the university, for our society, for ourselves? And I think that with the time that we've dipped into the history of the university in the West, we'll be better equipped to just be able to answer those questions and think creatively and have fun with a utopian university dream. So, and as I've already mentioned, there are donuts and coffee involved, so all the better. So do look at the document. I'll say more about that project as time goes on. It is not a project that is onerous or takes lots of time. I'll ask you to use a PowerPoint or Google Slides or whatever it is just to kind of display our poster, right? But it'll be fun. Think of it as we'll get together in a room and we'll mill about the room and we'll talk to each other while we hold a donut and coffee in hand and hear each other talk about our dream university. So it's fun.